Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 3rd of January 2023. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty January future and Bank Nifty January future. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video comment is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, so now let us get started with the post-market reports. So starting first with Nifty January future. The previous close here is at 18,275, open is at 18,234, high is at 18,333, low is at 18,210. Alright, so now let us go to the chart of a 3 minutes time frame and see how the market has performed. So the market closed yesterday here at this point level. Today the market directly opened below the support level. From opening the support level, the market started to go down below at that 18,210. From there the market started to fastly recover, and the market recovered so much so that the market went up until the day's high of 18,313. From there we were expecting the market to move even higher, but that did not happen unfortunately. Suddenly the market started to drop. A lot of selling order has been come. A lot of people have definitely might have sold, which has caused the market to even fall at slightly closer to the day's low at 18,222. But what happened here after this was very surprising. The market started to recover in a very straight form line, and then the market touched the day's high as well at 18,332, and then the market went on a very sideways, and then the market has keep on going in this range, and then it has moved in like this range. All right, the market has been going on the top and then keep on moving, and while the Nifty January future has managed to close at 18,315, that's what we can able to see here. And it has been definitely a roller coaster. People first might have thought there's an open gap down and then it starts going down. Definitely people might have shorted, and then it suddenly goes up, took the stop loss, going up, go again, buy here at this point level, and then again it might have hit the target around here. If you're entering at this point, then you would be definitely targeting at 325, and 18,325 is what I meant. But you might have definitely got stop loss. After getting the stop loss, the market goes back again. It was definitely a hell lot of roller coaster ride, but definitely saying honestly that this is how the market has been behaving for the day. All right, so now let us move to the Bank Nifty January future. All right, so the previous close here is at 43,393, open is at 43,388, high is at 43,661, low is at 43,348. All right, so this is how the market has been opening today at the Bank Nifty, and that's how it has been going on. All right, so now what I'll do is I'll take you on a Bank Nifty daily chart on a 3-minute time frame, and I'll show you how the market has been performing for the day. All right, so the market of Bank Nifty was not that well off. The market was sideways open. After opening it sideways, the market started to open here, and then it did not take much to the downwards. The market started to move directly to the higher side, and then the first target was hit over here at 43,597. You can even say, even if you go closely look, it is exactly 661, and there it is. Yeah, 600 on the candle, it is 600, and on the market depth we can see it's 43,661. So yeah, that's what we can see post that. But what has happened? Yeah, the market has even touched higher on this side. Okay, after touching this resistance level, the market started to fall very drastically. After falling at 43,347, the market started to recover in a very good form. The market started to recover from here. It bounced back so well off. It came up until 43,600 and even went up till 43,661, and from there slightly here and there slightly when it went down. And then the Bank Nifty January future has managed to close at 43,690 was my level. Okay, sorry, 43,634 is what it has closed at exactly the price. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what was my trades. Okay, so I executed approximately 8 orders, okay, in this account. And then the first trade which I tried to get it, I couldn't get it. Then I even tried to get approximately 250, and then I exited at approximately, I traded in 2 lots. I got out in just more than approximately 22 points, and I was happy with 22 points, and I'm happy. Definitely it does give good satisfaction, and it was a very quick trade. It was hardly 3 minutes. If you can see, 10:10 was the entry, 10:13 was the exit, but then again I tried to get 18,200 and CE call option at approximately 69 and then 60, but it touched 69. From there it went 70 to 75. After going from 70 to 5, it came till 69.20, but it did not execute my order, so I did not wanted to buy, and I was not any more interested. But it later went down till 115, and then what I thought, tomorrow the market might slightly go to the downwards, so what I have done is I have bought January future 18,200 put option at 50 bucks at 50 points, and I have bought only one lot. I don't mind risking approximately 1,000-2,000 rupees in this, but let us see how the market will perform for the day. And the day after tomorrow is also the expiry coming, so let's see how it will go. Also, this is what I have made the profit today, is which is around approximately 1,100, and the trade of making me this profit, I will be posting the short in the, I have already posted the short. I will be posting the link of that short in the description below. Please check it out. All right, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in tomorrow's episode.